Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will talk about how we can prepare GCP certifications. We will see some cool options, tricks, hacks which will help you prepare a real quick. Let's get started. You all know that cloud is on boom and GCP is really growing faster. So it is good to learn GCP as a skill set. Certifications will help you achieve this by exposing you to the GCP fundamentals. You need to choose which certifications are suitable for you based on your work experience. If you are a fresher, and otherwise if you have 1 to 5 or 4 years of experience, you should go for GCP Data Engineer Associate certifications, which will help you prepare fundamentally. And if you are into leadership roles or analyst roles, you can go for cloud architect certifications. Although there is no any such ground rule, but you can learn whether you want whatever you want to. So the overall difference between these two kind of certifications is data engineer or associate certifications will help you learn vertically, which will explain everything in detail, and in architect it will try to cover everything including networking, and it will have some information of everything. So in overall, fundamentally both certifications are equivalent, but depends on what detail are provided. So now let me share you some important links and portals that I used while clearing my GCP certifications. For learning, if you're a good reader, you can go for GCP Documentation itself. It is very good read, and you can it is very simple as well. Best practices are also included which you cannot skip. But if you prefer to do some online learning, then there are portals like Coursera, Linux Academy, Cloud Academy, but I will prefer Cloud Academy because its content is easy to learn and length of the course is also short. And about labs, like if you want a hands-on experience, you can go for labs, but if you already have some exposure to GCP practices, then you can skip. Next important thing is case studies. So case studies are a very important part of GCP certification. It is just a paragraph which business requirement and a problem for which they will ask multiple questions on providing and designing solutions to those problems. So there are some fixed case studies, out of which few comes into your examination. All are well explained in Cloud Academy. So don't skip case studies section from that e-learning part. Next comes the questions. So you should know, like after learning all the concepts, how the questions will look like, what is the format of question. For those practices, you can either go to WizLabs or you can go to examtopics.com. Both portals will provide you some free questions, like 100 plus questions are free on exam topics, and you can prepare them at least, and if you have time you can just purchase their portion and then go for more questions. So but don't skip this before giving the examination. So after doing everything till now, you are good to schedule your exam, and till your exam day you can download and serve some cool cheat sheets. So there are some short answered cheat sheets available. First, regarding G-Cloud commands, if you are giving a data engineering certification, this will help you. In G-Cloud command lines cheat sheets, there will be all G-Cloud commands refresher. Next is Google Cloud cheat sheet with google.com. It is one liner of all GCP concepts. Everything you can find on this. There is one more cool portal which is startcloudnow.com, which is a cool interface with flashcards for all GCP services to brush up. If you follow all the steps mentioned above, nobody can stop you from clearing the certification. Now some important heads up regarding the examination. Exam questions are 50. We need to complete it in 2 hours. Exam is online proctor driven. There are 2 ways. Either you can give it from home or going to the registered centers. As proctor is monitoring, you need to maintain disciplined surrounding, and no need to carry anything except your ID proof. Your webcam and audio is continuously monitored online. You can chat with proctor if you face any issues. Last tip, if you are preparing for associate or data engineer certifications, try to learn services in detail. For example, container pods, pub/sub windowing mechanism, etc. And if you are preparing for architect, networking is the key. Try to get it as much as possible. Hope this helps you. Let me know in comments if you want to add anything to this to-do list. Thanks for watching. All the best.